Let's talk about the latest launched Lava smartphone AGNI 3 5G. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED 3D curved display, 6.78 inches 1.5K punch hole display, resolution of 1200 by 2652 pixels, 90.46% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 429 ppi pixel density, 1200 nits. Peak brightness, HDR10 plus color quality support, and with 120 Hz refresh rate, cover mini. Display on the back 1.74-inch AMOLED, 336 by 480 pixels screen that used for selfie using. Rear camera, receive calls, quick replies, notifications, music control, steps and calorie tracker. Recorder, stopwatch, alarm, timer and its screen called InstaScreen. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony sensor main camera with support optical image stabilization, along with 8 megapixel telephoto, 3x optical zoom camera, and with 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel Samsung sensor front camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, up to 3 years of major Android upgrades and 4 years of security updates. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.5 GHz quad core Cortex A78 plus 2 GHz quad core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300X4 nanometer chipset, paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, with 8 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.7 by 75.53 by 8.8 mm, and it weighs around 212 grams, and the color options, heather glass, pristine glass colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 66-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With face unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, IP64 dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Lava AGNI 3 5G has been priced in India for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 22,999 Indian rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 24,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Lava AGNI 3 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.